And now for our feature presentation.
Okay, since I converted the plow on the 78 Sears tractor to run on electric, I've come across some issues, so I've had to refine it. The first issue, well, I had this originally running through an eye bolt on the front of it. The winch would go through an eye bolt, and the eye bolt was actually mounted right towards the center, right in this area right here where you can see the big empty hole now. Well, what was happening is because the plow, the winch is so far to the side that it was all binding up on one area of the winch and therefore causing it to lock up completely and realistically just pissing me off because I'd have to stop every few times to pull the cable out and rewind it by hand. So the first thing we did was remount an eye bolt further to the one side so that it's closer in line with the fair lead for the winch. Now the second issue when I took the eye bolt off is that I noticed the old eye bolt that the cable started digging a groove right in there. And this was just from very slight usage, but it was already digging a groove. So I didn't like that. And originally I planned on doing a pulley system, but I thought it would be too complicated. But lo and behold, it wasn't. Went to local hardware store, got this pulley right here with the mounted bracket on, welded together there. Got some real big, thick, heavy-duty washers. Did a little bit of hillbilly rigging here. Got that thing mounted just like so. What we did is basically take an eye bolt, mount it sideways like that, then use some big industrial washers on that side to hold it in there and there. On the other side, the same thing, big heavy-duty washer. Using the biggest hardware I could get, the heaviest duty hardware I could get. I know this plow is not massively big, but it needs to have some serious power to it to lift this up and down. So again, we've got a wire through the side. Our control handle comes up on the VeriDrive shifter lever. So again, we can go up, down, up, down. The other thing we did do, in addition to the zip tie, is that when I bought the winch, it came with this shackle, and since I can't really use the shackle right now because I'm using the winch for other things, I went ahead and I used the shackle to kind of lock that in place. So as it stands, she is ready to go for yet another season of plowing. And of course I look at the calendar now and it's March 2nd, so her seasons of plowing are over, but nevertheless it'll be ready to go next year, and more so it will be ready for doing whatever else I need to do this summer. For example, the driveway area here might get another half load of gravel, and that'd be real nice to smooth out that gravel for you.